I'll show you the fastest way to get a Walmart Pay support staff on the phone, the 24/7 agent shortcut in the app, and the specific numbers for Walmart branded credit and debit cards so you don't get bounced between departments. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. If you have a technical issue like the app crashing during payment or a transaction that shows success on your phone but declined at the register, you need Walmart's main support line. The number to call is 1-800-925-6278. That is 1-800-WALMART. When the automated system asks what you're calling about, say Walmart Pay or payment issue. This will bypass the general shipping and delivery queues and get you to the specialized billing team. The best time to call is Tuesday through Thursday between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. Avoid calling on Monday mornings or weekend afternoons when wait times are at their peak. For quick refunds or missing digital receipts, the in-app chat is often faster than a phone call. Open your Walmart app and tap Account in the bottom right. Scroll down to the Help section, tap Contact Us to launch the chat assistant. The automated bot will try to provide FAQs for you. Immediately type agent or a live person to be connected to a human specialist. Chat support is available 24/7 and typically connects you within 3 minutes. If your issue is about your account balance or a fraudulent charge on a Walmart branded card, calling the store won't help. You need the banking partner. If it's a Capital One Walmart Rewards card, call 1-877-860-1250. Use this for credit limit issues or rewards points disputes. If it's a Walmart MoneyCard, call 1-877-937-4098. This is for the blue prepaid debit cards. If your Walmart gift card balance wasn't applied correctly via Walmart Pay, call 1-888-537-5503. If you are still at the store and a Walmart Pay transaction fails, go to the customer service desk. If you have any queries about how Walmart Pay interacts with your Walmart Plus membership, or if you're having trouble with the QR code scanner, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.